Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Milwaukee to 15 nautical miles east of Port Washington, moving east at 15 knots.
Ginger, I'm making a video.
For greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.